The first step in creating an RAG-based chatbot is to clean up your available data and save it into a vector database. This process involves capturing data from product-related documents in various formats. Once the data is collected, it is converted into embeddings before being stored. After conversion, the data is saved into a vector database. In our case, we use Facebook AI Similarity Search for embeddings and vector storage. Now that the data is ready, users can start interacting with the chatbot. As the first step, the user asks a question or provides a prompt. This prompt is sent to the embeddings model to fetch relevant data from the vector database. Once the data is collected from the vector database, it is sent to an LLM along with the user prompt to identify or generate the best answer. In our case, we are using Llama 3.1 for this purpose, which is hosted on our own server. The LLM then processes the data and provides the user with a prompt answer.